Welcome to another Academy LMS tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to migrate your WordPress LMS to Academy LMS, the perfect solution for moving from other LMS to Academy LMS. In this video, I will migrate from Tutor LMS to Academy LMS. So first, you need to install and activate Academy LMS. Also, make sure you have activated your payment management plugin, such as WooCommerce or others. Next, navigate to Academy LMS Add-ins menu and enable the Migration Tool. Now, click on the Tools menu. Select the Migration option. Before migrating, please back up your website to prevent data loss. We recommend performing the migration on a staging site to avoid downtime. For instructions on creating a staging site and taking backups, check the link in the video description. Now, select the LMS from which you want to migrate data. Hit the Run Migration button and click OK to confirm. After a few moments, the data will be migrated. All of the migrated courses will be available in Courses. Now you can deactivate and delete your previous LMS plugin. That's all about the Academy LMS Migration Tool. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next tutorial.